guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. If you want to study in any of these countries, please make sure to fill the form from the link provided in my video description and my team will reach out to you soon. My today's topic is to cover everything about UK's visit visa, which is also commonly known as tourist visa. The UK government recently announced that from 31st of Jan 2024, you can do a lot of other activities other than just tourism. So if you want to know what you can do on a visit visa, list of documents needed, visa cost, processing time, and how to apply, make sure to stick with me till the end and say goodbye to visa rejections forever. So let's quickly start with agenda 1, which is understanding the basics of UK's visitor visa. So let's start with duration. A standard visitor's visa allows you to stay in the UK for up to 6 months. However, it's possible to apply for a 2-year or longer term visitor's visa. Medical care. Generally, visitors visa holders do not have access to free medical care under the National Health Service (NHS) in the UK. In case of an emergency, you can visit an A&E, which is Accident and Emergency Department, for free, but any subsequent medical care may require payment. Agenda 2. What can you do on UK visit visa versus what you cannot? So let's start with what you can do. You can visit the UK as a standard visitor for tourism, business, study, courses up to 6 months, and other newly added activities from 31st of Jan 2024 like remote work, research work, intra-corporate activities, provision of legal services, and paid engagements like giving speeches at conferences. You cannot claim public funds, which is benefits, and you cannot marry or register a civil partnership or give notice of marriage or civil partnership. You will need to apply for a marriage visitor visa, which is a different visa category. Agenda 3. Requirements for tourist visa. The 4 primary requirements are: requirement number 1, right intention. You must demonstrate a genuine and valid reason for your visit to the UK. Whether it's to visit family, conduct business, or explore iconic landmarks like the Tower Bridge, your intention needs to be clear. Requirement 2, financial support. You need to have sufficient financial means to support your visit. Requirement 3, accommodation. You must provide evidence of where you plan to stay during your visit. This could be with family or friends or booking your own hotel. Requirement number 4, intention to leave. You need to justify your intention to leave the UK once your visit is completed. This requirement is to ensure that you won't overstay your visa and will return back to your country. Agenda 4, mandatory documents. Let's start with finances first. I always submitted 6 months of bank statements for my retired parents. However, if you're employed, be sure to include 6 months of your salary slips. It's crucial to demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to sustain yourself. So also present any fixed deposits or mutual funds. Second, accommodation document. If you're an owner, provide property paper. And if you're a tenant, provide a letter from your landlord confirming their consent for your stay in that property. Third, if you're employed, it's important to obtain a letter from your HR confirming your employment status and specifying that you have requested leave through the leave management system, including the exact date of your annual leave application. Additionally, you should provide your tax returns. Fourth, if you're a business owner, you need to demonstrate your company's trading activities and provide financial documents. Also request a letter from your accountant explaining your earnings and financial stability. Based on information from my friends, it's common that if you're single and not married, you might need to submit additional documents to strengthen your case and assure the UK government that your visit is temporary, with intentions to return as planned. Therefore, ensure you establish strong connections to your home country by providing information about your job, family, property, and other relevant details. Fifth, if you're in the UK and inviting your family or friends, you need to send them an invite letter stating they will be staying with you at your accommodation. Also, if you're sponsoring their trip, then you also need to mention that you will be bearing their expenses in the UK, and hence you need to submit your bank statement, salary slip, your iCard, and also your address proof like your property paper or any utility bills. Personally, I've submitted all these documents and never faced any rejection so far. Agenda 5, step-by-step application process. Applying for a UK tourist visa is a straightforward process and you can start 3 months before your travel date. Here are the steps. Apply online through the official website. Fill in your details, including personal information, gender, relationship status, passport details, etc. Answer additional questions, including your travel history and previous visa details. Upload all your documents, which we discussed now, online itself so that you don't need to carry a hard copy of it except your passport. Pay the visa fee. Remember, if you're applying for 6 months visa, you need to pay £115. For 2 years, it's £400. For 5 years, it's £771. And for 10 years, it's £963. After online payment, book an appointment at a visa application center and then attend your appointment for biometrics and submit your original passport and wait for your visa. The standard visa application processing time is 3 weeks, and also you have fast track option which will cost you more than the normal fees, but you will get your decision within 48 hours. So that concludes our video for today. By adhering to the steps outlined in this guide, you can enhance your chances of a successful visa application and make the most of your visit to the UK. I trust you found this information useful. Feel free to apply for your visa independently without any help from agent, and you can express your gratitude later.